So today I'm going to speculate. I'm going to talk about the possible reasons for my peach tree not having any leaves yet. I've had this for a little while. I got it early in the year, and now we are very well into spring and heading towards summer, and we still got nothing going on this tree. And after doing a bit of research, because yes, this is my first peach tree, the possible main cause could be that it did not get enough cold temperature hours to break its dormancy. And as I now understand it, peaches can need anywhere from 200 to 1,000 cold temperature hours to break down their growth inhibiting hormone, and then figure out that, hey, it's time to start leafing and growing. And it's quite possible that this tree has not received enough cold temperature hours to break its dormancy. The other thing that I may be doing wrong here is overwatering it. And I have to catch myself and not overwater things. Less so than I used to, but sometimes I still catch myself. Apparently, if it gets too much water during the winter while it's dormant, then it can get an onset of root rot, and that will also contribute to the tree failing or not breaking its dormancy. So that is something I need to be more conscious of here, and well, everywhere really. But yeah, if your peach tree has not started leafing well into the time that you would expect it to, that could be the cause. Hopefully I'll have some positive updates on my peach tree. So it's the next day, and after doing a little bit more research, I have done a test to see if the tree is alive, in fact, and it can be as simple as taking your fingernail and scratching off a bit of the cambium layer and seeing if there's green beneath, and that's what I've done here, and there is green. And that makes sense because, other of the branches are green, so. But that was my step one before resorting to digging this up. So I have dug it up to check on the roots to make sure there's no root rot going on. And there isn't, but there is minimal root growth that's obviously new from when I got this as a bare root plant. So I think what's going on is it probably just didn't receive enough of those cold hours. So I am unsure when it's going to fully break its dormancy. Again, we'll see, I guess.